all the way to fourth place. Come over and talk to me a minute. You know, Tommy, you've been doing this a long time. You've been to nearly every lake that bass tournaments go to in the United States the many years you've been doing this. And I know you've been working on some new stuff to make guys like me that haven't been doing it as long as you have easier to find some of the stuff it takes to catch the big stringers.
Yeah, you're right, Ron. I appreciate you letting me talk about that. But a friend of mine and I started a company back last October called GPS Lake Maps. And what it is an electronic chip, much like Navionics chip. But you know, Navionics shows contour, bottom contour, and that's basically all they show. We didn't want to infringe on their rights or copy anything they had done, so our chip consists of creek channels and river channels, and these chips are extremely accurate. You can find any bend in a creek you want to on these lakes. You can go out there and watch your cursor on your GPS, and when you come to a bend in that creek and that cursor touches it, the water's going to drop off, I promise you. But we got road beds and underwater bridges. Just as an example, Ron, on Toledo Bend, we've got 57 underwater bridges that you can go directly to. Now, for guys that don't know a whole lot about fishing offshore, using their GPS and their electronics, this chip has got to help you. We think it's going to be one of the best fish finding tools to come along in years, really. And and they're selling real well. We've just got started, but they're selling real well. And I encourage y'all to use them. They're not that expensive. They're only about $44.95. You can buy one of them, and you just load it up in your Lowrance or your Humminbird, and it's real easy to load. The Humminbird loads automatically. The Lowrance, you got to follow 2 or 3 simple steps. But I think to date we've got 35 lake maps made, and we're working on more as we're talking right now. So hopefully we'll have 50 to 75 when we're through. And those guys, like I said, guys that haven't fished offshore or don't know exactly what to look for out there, we're going to help you out a little bit. But I encourage you to look at this chip. It's a dandy, buddy. Thank you very much for letting me talk about it, Ron.